Hello, hello, and if you keep your boat on the driveway on a trailer like I do, then you're going to need something to tow it with and to launch it with. So for that, I use a 3 litre Hilux Invincible, and to make sure that's all in good order, because you keep your hull in good order, you keep your engine in good order, you keep your trailer in good order, you've got to keep your truck in. And if anything goes near salt water, the metal work is going to get corroded. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I've used Lanoguard to protect the chassis from salt and water from launching, and even just sitting around in the marina, to be honest. 3 stages. I'm going to steam clean it. I'm going to then I'm just going to wire brush the rest of it down, and then I'm just going to spray it on. See how I get on. I've given it a good steam cleaning underneath, and now I'm just going to go over and knock any loose bits of rust off with a wire brush. I'm not going to go mad for this, to be honest, because I think the Lanoguard will actually soak into it quite well and get behind any loose rust, whereas anything other, like a paint product, would sit on top of it and maybe seal the rust in. But I think the Lanoguard, due to its nature and its oily nature, is going to soak into it and absorb into it quite well. But what a lovely day to spend, a lovely sunny day under a 4-wheel drive, a rusty 4-wheel drive. But actually I'm quite happy with it, because after a big old steam clean, it's come up really nice. It's actually a lot cleaner than I thought it was underneath, so I'm really happy to that end. And while I'm doing this, which will probably take me half an hour just to briefly brush over it, I've got the Lanoguard outside in the sun just heating up, because it's hot enough to make that nice and runny. There goes the train. Just for a bit of entertainment. Right, I'm going to get on. No idea how much this is actually used, but what I have heard is that a little goes a long way, so hopefully this is going to be a decent way of doing it. Give it a go. Quick, as easy as that. This stuff's awesome. Really happy with how that's turned out. That spray as well, it's so easy just to get up everywhere where the salt's going to go. Just sprayed absolutely everything I could see. Stuck the nozzle everywhere, absolutely coasted. I'd probably use more than I should have done. Also sprayed up these steps as well, they clean up really nice with it. Just sprayed it absolutely everywhere. So nearly used the whole 2 litre tub, but I don't really mind. That's what it's for, isn't it? Clean as a whistle. I'm really happy with how this has turned out. It's so easy to use. I reckon it took me 25 minutes to spray the whole of the underside of this. And it's come up really well, really nicely. And I was going to think about masking up and taping around the bottom, that sort of stuff, but no point, because where it's gone on everything else, I've just wiped it down today, so the day after. So it's still on the paintwork here. No rose at all, just wipes off, comes up quite nicely. And if anything, it's just going to leave a layer of oil on top. Great product, and I'll definitely be ordering some more. Used about 1 3/4 litres to do the complete underside of the Hilux, and I got the rest of it left over, which I'll be doing my boat trailer with tomorrow, when the boat is getting wet, and I'll be catching some fish, we hope. That's the idea anyway.